Now let's show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so this is what you'll see after logging in. You'll have a little welcome video, then you'll have some bonuses as well. Now let me show you the digital assets first. Okay, so in a nutshell, you're getting PDFs, and the cool thing is that each PDF is connected to a squeeze page and a sales page, so you can instantly set this up, and you don't have to do it yourself. It's 100% done for you. And as you can see, you have a bunch of different niches. So you have cosmetic surgery, parenting through divorce, home brewing, internet safety, vegan, cookbook, swimming pools, 10-day detox, so just a bunch of different niches, arthritis, chiropractic, adopting a child, 401k plans, just a bunch of different niches, which means again that you can actually use these for yourself if you want to, but you can sell these on sites like Fiverr and charge at least $20-25 per gig. And take a look at this, you're getting 50 of these done for you. Let me just click on preview right here. So this is what you're getting. As you can see, a fully done PDF. This is 53 pages, so really well researched, and as you can see, you're getting all the contents and everything else. Okay, so this is on its own, this PDF is worth probably at least $5. Okay, you're getting a total of 50. Now that's not it, because you're also getting all the pages that you will be able to set up to give these away or sell these. So again, it's totally up to you. And if you would want to sell this on sites like Fiverr, keep in mind you can make a big package with a PDF, with a sales page, and with a squeeze page, and you can probably charge anywhere from $50 to $100 for this. So as you can see, these are the pages that I already created. So we have home brewing, cosmetic surgery. So this is, let me just show you how to create a new page. Okay, so all you have to do is just create a new page. Then as you can see, we're gonna pick the PDF that it will be linked to. Okay, so let me just click on select. Let's see, let's go with planning your retirement. And then as you can see, we can do a monetized page or a lead page. So lead page will be a squeeze page where you just get the email, or a monetized page is essentially a sales page where you have an affiliate link on the bottom of this page. Okay, so first of all, let me actually show you how to do the monetized page, and then we will go back and do the squeeze page. So as you can see, we have all of these templates, 45 templates, and obviously this is already tailored towards whatever you're giving away, but you can further tailor it with different themes and colors, etc. Okay, so let me just pick one of these. Maybe let me click on select. Planning your own retirement. Yes, let's click on build. And as you can see, it's already done. So right now we can edit it, which means that we can add our affiliate link, we can edit the title, the monetization, and then the header, and also the summary and the introduction. Okay, so all of this is editable. Obviously, let's click on view page and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is the monetized page. Obviously, you can again add text, add images, add whatever you want to it, and we have the click here for more information. This is your affiliate link, or a link to however you want to sell it. Okay, if you want to use Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank or some other processor, this is where you add your link to it. Okay, so this is a sales page. Now going back right here, let's check out how to create a lead page. Okay, so let me click on the lead page. As you can see, we have templates again, so these are a little bit different. So you're getting 45 sales page templates and 30 squeeze page templates. Okay, so let me just click on one of these. Again, planning your own retirement. Let's build it. And as you can see, this is already done. So let's click on edit to see what we can edit right here. So again, we get the title, the link, the headers, and obviously we're going to connect to your autoresponder. So the cool thing is that if you don't have an autoresponder, you can actually select I don't have an autoresponder, and the Shotoku system will save all the leads for you. So down the road, if you're gonna buy an autoresponder or pay for an autoresponder, you can just import all the leads to it. Or if you have Aweber or whatever your autoresponder is, you can connect it and all the leads will go to the autoresponder. Okay, let's click on the view page and let's check out how the squeeze page looks like. Pretty cool. So again, you can edit all of this, and then we have the name, email, and get instant access. Okay, so again, keep in mind you're getting a total of 75 different templates, so you can just create a bunch of different sales pages, squeeze pages. You're getting 50 done for you assets, so essentially everything you need is right here now. Another cool thing is that you can actually click right here on instant traffic, and this is just a monetization module where you get free traffic. Now, this is not something super crazy. All you have to do is just select the page. So let's go with homebrewing, and you can just share it. Okay, so you can share it on Blogger, on Dig, on LinkedIn, on Google. You can share it via email, on Facebook, you know, so the usual social media and you know, stuff like email. So you know, this will not bring in tons of traffic, but this is just another monetization module that makes it easy just to share it from within the software, and you don't actually have to open up you know, a million different tabs and keep on sharing. You can do this from within the software, and that's essentially it. So as you can see, we have the source, which is actually one of the OTOs. So this will actually give you the HTML source, which means that you can edit the HTML code if you want to do this. But we will talk about the upsells in a second, and then we have the rest of the upgrades. So we will talk about upgrades in just a minute. Okay, so all in all, that's everything that you're getting. Essentially 3 different modules. You're getting the done for you assets with the PDFs, 50 PDFs, which means that even if you're gonna pay $1 per PDF, it's worth at least $50, up to maybe $250. We have all the pages, again, squeeze pages and sales pages, and then the instant traffic module, which means that you can instantly share it and get traffic to it. And again, I think a very, very good option of monetizing it all is just set it up for people, for other people, on sites like Fiverr, on sites like Upwork, on Freelancer, or you know, any other freelancing website.